Imagine being able to have a campfire ready in seconds, with no smoke, no wood, and no mess. And that's exactly why I fell in love with this portable propane fire pit from GasBRUH. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and I recently brought this fire pit to the beach with me, and let me tell you, it completely elevated our evening. What impressed me right away was how quickly it heated up. Within moments of turning it on, we had a warm and inviting fire going. I also really appreciated how easy and fast it was to set up. All I had to do is just connect the propane tank and I was ready to enjoy the fire. The package includes the portable propane fire pit, decorative lava rocks, a cooking grill grate, a protective cover, and a carry handle for easy transportation. I really appreciate that the lava rocks create that classic campfire look, while the grill grate lets me cook snacks and meals right over the fire. What stood out to me was how portable and hassle-free it was, while still providing plenty of heat and a cozy atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. It quickly became one of my favorite outdoor essentials, and that's just my point of view.